What's up, art fans? My name's Jesse and I'm an artist out of Phoenix, Arizona, and today we are in the Arcadia district and I'm coming to you from inside my car, oddly enough, but it is packed to the brim right now because we are painting another mural at this cozy little apartment complex that is currently undergoing a rebranding. So as part of that, they wanted to add a really beautiful mural, something that's packed with color. It's big, bright, bold, beautiful, and everything that I do. So we put a nice, simple landscape together for them that they really enjoyed. It's what they wanted. And we've got a few days to knock this one out so I can go at a little bit of a more leisurely pace. And on top of it, there's also a heat wave going on. It is October 2nd, and it's like 107 degrees right now, so it's insane, but as always, we're gonna get it done. So we're gonna start by getting things taped off, and then we can start packing in some color, so we've got no time to waste. Let's go. Okay, so the wall is taking the paint, the image is starting to show up, but things are moving a little bit slower than I'd like, and that's because I've got bronchitis. Yay! Just found that out. They gave me a whole lot of medication and an inhaler, which is really exciting. And on top of it, there is a heat wave at the beginning of October here in Arizona. So, you know, we're here for it, and we're gonna work as long as we can today, but that's the point. Sometimes it's a wall that doesn't want to take the paint, sometimes it's the weather being a bummer, sometimes you're sick, sometimes it's all three at once. But we always show up and we always make it happen, so what are we waiting for? Let's go do it.
guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We got to crank this piece out that is 20 feet wide and approximately 13 feet high at its highest point with all spray paint. We did a beautiful landscape with no black at all. It looks absolutely fantastic. Even though there was a heat wave, even though I've got bronchitis, we still made it happen, right? Because that's what we do. We show up and we make things happen every day, no matter what. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button because I am trying to grow the channel. You can always follow me online at Mr. Downtown Phoenix for more cool content always on the way. And if you want to scope out my website, it's www.shinethroughart.com. You can see all my murals, you can check out the merch, and you can even inquire about a piece there. But once again, I appreciate you guys checking out this video, and as always, I'll catch you at the next wall.